I have a problem of anger. Can you please give me some guidance? With the issue of anger, Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam advised us of several things. First of all, verbal things. You say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Anger mainly is caused by shaitan. Technically speaking, misunderstanding. Most of people get angry because of some misunderstanding. Someone said the word. Your wife, your husband said the word. Your child, you thought they are insulting you. They didn't mean. They did something. You thought they did it deliberately against you. You get angry. So it's the shaitan who put in your mind these thoughts. So first thing the Prophet tells us sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. There are practical things. If you get angry while you're standing up, sit. Sit down on the floor. You get angry while you're sitting, then lie down. This is say, change your posture. Changing your posture, it changes or will affect your state of mind. These are recommendations by the Prophet ﷺ. Now another recommendation. Anger means heat in the body. You get angry, go and perform wudu. Even if you already have wudu. Now you already have wudu, or you perform wudu, you didn't calm down, go and perform ghusl, take a shower. In English they say, you get angry, say, I am calm. Instead of saying, oh, I am calm, say, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad. And then the name of Rasulullah should bring you all mercy, all forbearance, all forgiveness.